Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative. Today's video is about this. So when these first came out, I was thinking, what is the big deal? I mean, it's a cup. Now, I do have several big cups that I use. I am a huge water drinker, but okay, big deal, a Stanley Cup. I didn't understand why people were so crazy about spending a ton of money on a water cup. I know my daughter feels the same way. She's actually a dance teacher at several dance studios, and these things are constantly being knocked over and spilled, making a big mess. So you're probably wondering, well, why do you have one then? Well, a couple of months ago, if you've been following me, you know that my mom actually, she got sick. She was in the hospital because she passed out due to a UTI. Got to be careful of those UTIs. Anyway, she winds up in the hospital and then in rehab, and all this has been going on. She's home now. She's doing much better. But anyway, my sister had bought her this cup, a Stanley Cup, thinking that she would be drinking her water. It's very important that we drink water. But guess what? This is really heavy, and my mom had a hard time picking it up and using it. So I inherited it. I think my sister may already have one, so she gave it to me, and actually it's one of my very favorite colors. So yes, I now have a Stanley Cup. So the other day, I was communicating with somebody, and they mentioned something about making some beaded Stanley bracelets. A Stanley bracelet? What's a Stanley bracelet? So I looked it up, and lo and behold, people actually decorate their Stanley Cups with all kinds of beaded things. And I'm like, oh, that is right up my alley. So I have another channel, my original channel, called Tappingflamingo, aka the Bohemian Hippie, and it's all about making jewelry. And now I can make jewelry from my Stanley Cup. But as I was investigating that, there's a little bit of an issue. And that is, you can put your bracelets and stuff on here, but they slip off. So I ordered something from Amazon. And this isn't just to keep your Stanley bracelets on, but it's also to protect your cup. My husband ordered this for me last night, and it came today. How about that? That's pretty good. Anyway, I was looking to see what color I wanted, and they were really limited on their colors. I wanted to see if maybe I could get one that's this color. Couldn't do that. White was out of stock. I thought, well, maybe turquoise. That was out of stock. So, oh, I have two of them? Huh, that's interesting. So anyway, I have a pink one. Oh, that doesn't look too bad. I don't understand why I have two of them. I didn't realize I was getting two of them. I'll have to give one to my sister. She may already have one. But anyway, yep. So it protects your cup, and also it keeps your Stanley bracelets from sliding. So I will be making some Stanley bracelets. Those will probably be on my other channel. I don't know. Maybe I'll put them over here. So by the way, this is my cup that I've been using. It's a lot smaller than the Stanley Cup, but I can throw it in my bag and it doesn't leak. I wonder if this will fit. Oh, it does. How about that? I also like this cup. It also doesn't leak. And I got this for free when I gave blood. And it already has one of those things at the bottom. Thanks for joining me. And let me know down in the comment section below what kind of water bottle you carry. And y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.